everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing these nails. If you're interested to see how I did these Valentine's Day inspired nails, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my nail tips, and I'm using my Glitterbels number 10 brush and their monomer as well. And then I'm just going straight in with a pre-mixed glitter of theirs. I've got this one a couple weeks ago. It's called Purple Jelly and it's really nice. I really like this acrylic. It's really easy to work with, as all their acrylics are, and it basically is a purple jelly acrylic with some really pretty blue and gold shimmers in there, and it looks really good. Like, it's really nice and reflective. So I'm just going all over the nail with that, and I love all the Glitterbels acrylic powders. They're really smooth and easy to work with, and it's more of like a medium kind of system. And there I went in with some, what is it called, pink opal shimmer. It's one of their core powders, which is even smoother to work with, and I just did a kind of a ombre. So now I wanted to have a go at doing my first ever 3D acrylic art, and here I'm doing a heart, obviously for Valentine's Day. I was really pleased with how this turned out because it is my first time, and I did not have the correct brush. I wish I had a acrylic 3D brush, I think it's called, for this, which you can also get from the Glitterbels website. But this is what I had, so I'm just using that. It's like a flat number 8 brush that I had, and that's what it looked like in the end. I was really pleased with it, so let me know what you think down below. And now I'm going in with this hot pink shade. I forgot what it's called, so I'm gonna just link it up on screen. And then I'm going in with Hot Flake, which is my absolutely most favorite flake acrylic powder that they have. It's really nice. I love all of their flakes, but this one in particular. And I am looking to get I think it's called Prince Flake or something, the blue one, because I don't really have many blue acrylics. So now I'm just going in with their rainbow stars, and I'm just popping these on randomly across that nail. And now I'm going in with the ring finger. So the ring finger is going to be Wifey with that hot pink shade, and then Purple Jelly. And I'm kind of using wet beads so that they will blend nicely. And this one is called Unicorn Crush. So Unicorn Crush is also new in my collection. I absolutely love it. I love all of their crushes. They're really good. And here I am just trying to use wet beads and going in with some hot flake as well to create this nail. This was probably the easiest one out of all of them. And then just going over that red with some more Unicorn Crush. And then I'm repeating the pinky finger to be the same as the index finger. And I'm just doing that ombre really nice and smooth. I did do a how to ombre with acrylic video as well. If you're interested, I will be linking that down below. And then again going in with that smaller number 8 flat brush to create that 3D heart. And I absolutely love how this set came out. It was really nice. And now I'm just going a bit more with that hot flake acrylic, and I'm just doing a whole nail of that all over the thumb because I absolutely love this and it looks really good even on its own. I love the reflective gold flakes in there. They're so nice. I absolutely love them. And then going in again with that 3D heart, which I did a decent job at. Let me know what you thought down below of these hearts, because it is my first ever time doing any 3D art with acrylic. And then I did a hot pink one there as well, just to sort of tie in the look. And this flat brush was actually very helpful because it had the nice straight edge compared to the pointy number 10 brush I was using in the beginning. So I'm just going to show you guys how I encapsulate one finger. So here I am just encapsulating that purple jelly shade, and I'm not going to encapsulate above the heart because that's a core powder, so it doesn't really need to be encapsulated. But yeah, I'm just using their glass slippers, and it's really smooth and easy to work with, and it's super clear as well. Remember, you can get all the products that I'm using on the Glitterbels website. I will be linking them down below. And after I filed, I'm now applying their top coat. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribes and comments. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, as it means the absolute world to me. And I really like reading your comments as well. It's really fun to do. So thank you. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know it's very short, but I just wanted to throw a quick one out there in time for like Valentine's. I have done some other Valentine's Day nails as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.